Hello, hello! Today I want to talk more about PhiIon Plasma Pen Pro extensions and how I use them. I got so many questions about that topic that I would like to share with you. You also asked me if that will be part of the new course, and I can say yes. But what I want to tell you today, with this device and those extensions, you can do 4 different kind of treatments. You can do skin tightening, you can do removal of skin changes, you can apply active components with fractional tip, and you can treat acne with acne tip. There are so many possibilities with this device and just several different kind of extensions that you can offer to your clients. You can do different kind of treatments and offer them really amazing treatments with great results. The first tip and second tip I usually use for removal of spots and papillomas. But those tips are not for single use, and you should sterilize them after each client. Because of that, I like to use short and long electrode. Long electrode I usually use for some bigger area at the body, like stretch marks, like tightening the skin of the stomach, like neck zone treating. It's very comfortable to do that kind of treatments with long electrode. With short electrode, I usually do eyelids, all sagging skin at the face treating, all wrinkles treating, removal of skin changes at the skin, and treating scars and acne scars. Fractional tip allows better absorption of active components that you are using during the treatment. I usually use Tango and Fibrite cocktails and acne tip. It's great to prevent growth of bacteria, and also allows better absorption of active components that you are using during the treatment. I usually use Fibiotic gel during this treatment. And what is the next thing that I want to share with you today? Investment in this treatment is really minimal. For treatment, you just need to use electrodes, and the costs of that electrodes are just few euros. But you can charge from 200 till 1,000 euro per treatment, depending which area you will do. It's really minimal investment, but it is very important to invest in good education, to have good quality course, and to have support of your master, that you can perform the treatment good with really good results, to have really good results. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to write me in DM. I would like to answer to you. Thank you very much.